Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download EA application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in ea.com and click on enter. You'll be directed to official homepage of EA. Now, at the top navigation bar, you will see Experiences tab. Over your mouse to it and you will see the EA app. Click on the link. And you can see Download the EA app here. Click on the button and select your operating system, either with Mac or in Windows. After that, you will get a setup file. Click on the setup file. Click on Let's Go button. So that is how you can download EA application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.